55 years, AGM and Ascension have been building more than just wheelchair lifts. We've been building trust. Proudly made in Tucson, Arizona, Ascension is employee-owned. At Ascension, every product reflects our team because we all own the outcome. No layoffs in 33 years. That's not just a statistic. It's a testament to our stability, our values, and our commitment to doing things the right way. Ascension offers 3 distinct lift models, each designed to accommodate a variety of spaces, from compact interiors to high-capacity public venues. Whether you're designing for visibility, discretion, or architectural harmony, there's a model built for your needs. What makes Ascension different? Our lifts are pitless, rampless, and towerless, with single-phase power making them ideal for retrofits and high-end installations, providing a fast and less intrusive installation experience for your facility. Our team works hand-in-hand throughout every phase, offering design support for architects and technical guidance for certified installers. We're not just selling a product, we're helping you design a seamless accessibility experience. Every space is unique. That's why our lifts are fully customizable, from colors and finishes to glass etching and ADA-compliant configurations. Accessibility isn't just functional. Accessibility is beautiful. But beauty alone isn't enough. Real accessibility demands reliability, and that's exactly what we build into every lift. That's why our lifts are backed by one of the strongest warranties in the industry, 10 years on drivetrain components. We work with certified installers to ensure each lift is set up safely and correctly every time. And if your project qualifies under Build America, Buy America requirements, we can help spec our lifts to meet those guidelines. Today, you'll find Ascension lifts in schools, universities, public buildings, stadiums, historic sites, and houses of worship across the country. Ascension wheelchair lifts. American assembled, employee-owned, guaranteed reliability.